Hello everyone, it's Monday the 17th of February, which is day 12 in the survival month series. So far money wise, not too bad, just got to keep going though. Still don't know what's going on. Today sun is out, although it's still fairly nippy. My ears are feeling the cold, put it that way. It's me and Matthew, 17 cleans today. 3 of them are in the village I live, Parson Drove. The rest, except for one, they're all in a place called Leverington, which is not far from here at all. And I've got one in a nearby village in between all them, which is Wisbech St Mary. So we should get it done today. We started a bit later than normal. And yeah, let's see if we get it on. Well, I'm just driving to the next 2 cleans that are next to each other, which is a 2-minute drive from where I've just finished. Me and Matthew have just done 2 houses. We did one each and just teamed up where we'd meet up, which was the front of one of the houses, but Matthew had nearly done it all anyway. So together though, it took us 28 minutes and we'd earned £44. So I think when I worked out my maths, that's like £96 an hour or something like that. But obviously, from my live and people like pointing out, it doesn't really work out like that because obviously I've got to drive there and then drive to the next house. So you add that in there as well. So like when people say they earn so much an hour, I take it all with a pinch of salt because it's often start to finish when they're timing themselves doing the job, not necessarily including all the setting up, packing up or driving as well. But I suppose one way is the best way to gauge it really is just look at what time you started, what time you finished, the money that you've earned that day, and then basically, to be more realistic, is work out what your hourly rate is there, and that obviously includes all your breaks, all the driving, everything really. So that's one way to look at it, but it does make you feel better when the numbers are more in your favour, I must admit. But obviously I'm a bit cheapy on the old prices. We found out on the live I did yesterday on Sunday. Anyway, I'm about to turn up to the next one, so I'm going to crack on with these two. Sorry about that, I didn't get much footage on the last few cleans, but after the toilet stop, we've gone on to the next three, where we can have the van parked outside. There are three big properties all next to each other. Two of them are underpriced. One of them's got 9 Velux windows, but they're the small ones, but they are hard to get to. I have to use my 35-foot pole on them, and one of the neighbours as well. But they're great customers. With just me and Matthew working together, because we haven't got Sophie with us now, we cleaned those 3 houses for £73, and from turning the key off and turning the key to put the engine on to drive away, £73 for 55 minutes work. So got to be happy with that. And then with Sophie, we're normally 10 minutes quicker. So yeah, it's not bad. And I'm now doing a 10-minute drive to get to the village where I live, to get to the last 2 cleans of the day. My wife Therese has rang and Matthew's passed it on. We've had one of our customers skip the one in Wisbech St Mary, so, but I think that's because she's every 2 weeks. So do you reckon it's because she's changed to monthly? Yeah, she's every 2 weeks, and then obviously now the better weather's starting to get here, she's obviously skipped. So in other words, we're going to be cleaning her every month instead. So I'll see if I can get some footage on the next ones for you and see how we go. It's 3:10 in the afternoon. I'm now at home, so that's me and Matthew done for the day. We've ended up doing with this skip 16 cleans, £340, and the time we started was 8:30 in the morning. So in total, that's like around 6 hours, 40 minutes, and then I think per hour it works out for two of us though, mind. That's £51 an hour from start of leaving my house to getting to my house, back at the end of the day, 16 cleans, 2 quotes, measuring up, chatting and all that. We've had our sandwiches and we used the toilet in Asda, so that's not too bad really, I don't think. And obviously our hourly rate would improve if I didn't lose time talking or doing quotes or stopping having a look around Asda after we've used the toilets, that sort of thing. And if you wolf your lunch while you're on the move between customers, that'll improve as well, won't it? So yeah, I'm happy enough with that. I know I get days where I'm working till late, so I'll take an early finish. Anyway, that's me done. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the lives as well. We'll leave videos up here or whatever YouTube suggests next to watch. Like and subscribe and all that if you haven't done already. And thanks for following me today. See how we get on tomorrow. Ta-da!